Hello violinists, this is Henriette here from Pro Strings, and this is lesson 40 in the violin class for beginners. You're not a beginner anymore. To celebrate this big milestone of 40 lessons, we're just going to play for fun a song that you can play that doesn't present any new difficulties. So have a bit of a rest today. Now this song is called Song or Cancion. Excuse my Spanish, I don't really know how to pronounce it. You can tell me how I should improve this in the description below. But this song only appears in the red book. So for you, if you have a green or an older version of this book, take a look in the description below this video. I'll put a link to a photo of this music. You can download it or copy it from there. And this is also a duet for two violins, so we're just going to have a bit of fun today playing this song. Now I want you to play the top line of this song, and this song has one sharp in its key signature. So if you have a good look, there is an F sharp which makes all the second fingers on the D string wide. So on the D string we play, but on the A string we play, and the second finger is close on the A string. So wide on the D string, close on the A string. So let me say it like that. Wide on the D string, close on the A string. And that's all you need to know before success comes. So in this video we'll play this song twice. First of all, I'll join you playing just the first part, so you can just get used to this song, and then we'll play it another time, and that time we're going to play it as a duet. Before we start, I'll count us in for 3, because as you can see, you play on 4 and this little upbeat there is an up bow. So let's just get your bow ready, but also let's find your notes. Let's play A, 1, 2, 3. And then we're starting at the point. What I'd also like you to do in this piece is whenever you see a crotchet, a quarter note rest, just say rest in your head. And this is especially important if you play it together in a duet, because obviously if you make your rest too short, you're going to get stuck when we play it in a duet. So when we have our first go right now, just say rest, and then you know for sure that you've got enough time between your notes. So here we go, let's get ready after 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. Super. So are you ready for this duet? Let's find your notes, shall we? Find the point of the bow after 3. 1, 2, 3. Terrific, very well done. Remember, if you didn't quite make it to the end, that is absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with just playing it back and starting over again. Now, if you find that you get stuck at the same bar each time, just play it without the video and see why you're getting stuck. Do you play a wrong finger? Do you get in the muddle with the bow? And see if you can sort out the bar where you can get stuck and then try it again. And if you get stuck in more than one place, that's also okay, and I can just imagine how that happens. Just sort out both places before you then play it, because playing with a video is all very well, but it can get quite frustrating if you don't quite make it to the end. So then switch off the video and try it a few more times without me playing the duet, okay? But if you managed it, super playing. Can you write about it in the comments section? Because you can imagine, for me, I make these videos and it's really, really nice to get some feedback from you guys. I've certainly enjoyed today. I hope you did too. And I very much look forward to seeing you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.